So I'm back on Rudyard. I haven't got my fancy DJI camera. We're back on my shaky ass GoPro. Yeah, that got wet in Croatia. I'm gonna get a new one, but I haven't yet. So, see if we can find some wind.
Out and put a reef in. This is beautiful. He's a plague in my life. You say that you've got that lift music playing, haven't you? I've got tunes on, so don't you. I think we've had the best of it. We didn't give out this wind. We got the complete opposite, sketchy, gusty. It's been absolutely bang on. Shows you you've got to get down here and see what's happening. Yeah, I just kind of got in the way of the sailing club. I think they've been racing on that marker all morning and I still went straight across there, line, to the boat, so.
That's about it. If you like that video, then maybe click this one or this one. I'm kidding, I've got no idea how to put a video there, but yeah, leave a comment, like and subscribe. That's for Audrey, that is, she loves that. Like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, see you on the next one.